Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. Last class we studied about some word problems. All of you studied that problems. Okay, very good. Today we are going to study about we continuing that word problems. Now here our first question is: baby tortoise 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? So here the age of baby tortoise and the mummy tortoise is given. We have to find how much younger it is. So it's a word problem. So we need a step. Here our step, the first number is 33. Never number behind that number there is a step we need. So first step, 33 years old, baby tortoise. So how to write that step? Age of baby tortoise. Age of baby tortoise. Tortoise. Age of baby tortoise is what? That is 33 years. Now age of mummy tortoise. Age of mummy tortoise. That is what? 150 years. Now we need how much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise. So how much younger? We have to find next is how much younger. How much younger? So we have to subtract 150 minus 33. We have to subtract this 33 from this 150. That is 150 33 minus 0 minus 3. We can't do this. 0 minus 3 we can't do this. So we cut and write here 0 and borrowing 1 from here. Now it is 10 and instead of this 5 now here it is 4. Okay. So 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is what? That is after 3 count up to 10. That is 10 minus 3 is 7. So we just write as 7. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. Here 1. So we get the answer as 117. So we can say that 117 years younger than this mummy tortoise. Okay, understood? See our second question. Aravind has read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that book. Who has read more pages and how many? We have two questions. Who has read more pages and how many? How much? How many more it is? So here is a storybook. That pages of book is 16 pages of book is read by Aravind and 95 pages is read by Gauri. From these, who has read more? 69, 95. Who has read more pages? That is 95. And how many it is? How to find that? How many it is? That is, we subtract from this 69 from this 95. Then we get the answer. That means we subtract, then only we get that how many it is. Okay, that's the difference. We need that how many. Okay, so we need the step. That is, Aravind has read 69 pages of a storybook. So we can write the step as number of pages read by Aravind or pages read by Aravind. That is, pages read or read by Aravind. Aravind equal to 69. Then pages read by Gauri. Gauri, that is 95. Who has read more? So we can write as Gauri has read more pages. So our first question, Gauri has read more pages. Now we need how many? How many? Now we need it is how many pages? How many pages is we have to subtract this 69 from this 95. That is 95 minus 69. 95 minus 69. 95 minus 69. That is 5 minus 9. We can't do that. So we cut and we write in the top side and borrowing 1 from this 9. Now we get 15. Here we get from 9 minus 1 is what? That is 8. Now we count after 9 up to this 15. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we get the number as 6. So we write as 6. Now 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is what? That is 2. That is we get the number as 26. So here the number as 26 pages more. So 26 pages more. Okay, understood. Our third question is, Reena noted the electricity meter reading of her house. Last month reading was 118 units. This month reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? That is, the electricity meter reading of last month is 118 and this month is 193. Then how much electricity did she use in 1 month? Then 1 month how much electricity did she use? So that we have to subtract this 118 from this 193. Okay, so we need the steps, that is the electricity used in the last month and the electricity used in this month. Okay. Electricity used in last month. Last month equal to, last month is 118 units. Now electricity used in this month. In this month equal what? 193 units. Okay. Now what is how much electricity did she use in 1 month? So electricity used in 1 month. 1 month equal, that is 193 minus 118. That is equal to 193, 118. 3 minus 8. We can't do that. So we cut and write 3. And borrowing 1 from here and we write this 13. Now here we get as 8. Now 13 minus 8. After 8, count up to 13. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we get as 5. So here 8 minus 1 is 7. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get an answer as 75 units. Okay, understood. Here our fourth question is, Kushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend all together? Now here we need he bought, the price of a shirt is given and also price of the trouser is also given. Now we have to find how much money did she spend all together. all together total money we need. So what calculation we have to do this from here? What calculation we have to do? All together total, that means we have to do addition. Okay, understood? So this is a word problem. In each number we need the steps. So our first step is Kushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125. So price of the shirt. Okay, price of the shirt. Shirt is what? That is rupees 125. Now price of the trousers. What it is? That is rupees 165. Now we need total money. Total money spent. Here total money spent. So our step is like that. Total money spent. That is 125 plus 165. 125, 165 plus 5 plus 5, 10. So we write here 0 and 1 here. 1 plus 2, 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 3 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. Take 3 plus 6 is what? That is 9. So here we get 9. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is rupees 290. Okay. Next our topic is subtract and check the answer. Subtract, and after that you have to check the answer also. How to check? That's we have to study. Here our question is 236 minus 114. See, 6 minus 4 is what? That is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Here, see, it is known as that you have to study in the late class. This is known as minuend. It is known as subtrahend. Minuend, subtrahend, and it is known as, the result is known as difference. Minuend, subtrahend, and difference. We get the answer as 122. So next is we have to check the answer. For checking, we add this difference and the subtrahend. Then we get the minuend. Okay, that is 122. That is here the difference. And subtrahend is what? That is 114. Okay, then we add 2 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. Like that you have to do. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then here 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we get the answer 236. Now we get minuend. Okay, so our method is correct. So our answer here, the difference, here the answer is correct. The result obtained when subtraction is known as difference. What is that? Difference. What is difference? Okay. And in checking we do, that is different, add this different and subtrahend, then we get the minuend. Okay, understood? Okay. In the problem you have no need to write these minuend, subtrahend, difference in each problem. This just for understanding I write here. Only the first question you have to write this one, and you just kept in your mind only. No need to write in every problem. You just kept in the mind. Okay, understood? So children, our next question number second is 513 minus 407. So first we have to subtract, okay, and find the difference. What is the difference? And then we have to check, is it correct or not, okay. That is 3 minus 7. What is that? 3 minus 7. Can you do this? No. So we cut and write here 3 and borrowing 1 from here. Now here from 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So here the answer is 0. Now count after 7 up to this 13. That is after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we get the number as 6. So we write here 6. Okay. Here 0 minus 0 is what? 0. So no, we just write 0 there. Then 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So our answer is 106. Now we have to check. So we write check. Check. That is here the difference is what? That is 106 and with the subtrahend is 407. Now we have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 7. 6 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here we get 13 and the carry over 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 1 plus 4 is what? That is 5. So here we get as 513. Here our question is 513. Understood? So our answer is correct. So we have to check or get the minimum correctly. So our answer is correct. Now we are going to here the third question. That is 845 minus 318. First we have to find the difference. Okay. 5 minus 8 is, we can't do that. So we cut and write here 5. And borrowing 1 from here, we get as 15. And now here it is 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So here we write as 3. Now after 8, count up to this 15. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we get 7. So we write 7. Now 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, it is 2. So here we write 2. Then 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So here we get the difference as 527. Now next we write here check. Check. Okay. Check, that is what? That is our difference is 527 plus 380. Okay. That is 7 plus 8. 7 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Carry over 1. Then 1 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. Now we get 3. Now 3 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. We get 4. Okay. Now 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we get the answers 845. See, our minimum here is 845. So our answer is correct. So now you understood about how to subtract and check the answer. First you subtract and check the answer. If you get the minimum is correct, then your answer is correct. Okay. See children, here I didn't write the minimum, subtrahend and the difference. No need to write. You just understood that what is each. What is the meaning of each. Okay. So children, today's topic, that is word problems under this subtraction and check your answer. You have to write in your notebook very neatly and you should write 2 times and send each note to me personally and study well today itself. Thank you.